Hey there! In today's video, we're going to tackle a common problem that many users face with their microcontroller running a Linux distro based on Debian. The issue at hand involves a NextION screen connected via UART that doesn't work properly on system startup, causing a cat task inside a service to fail. This can be frustrating, but see or not, we've got a solution to help you fix this startup glitch. Let's delve into the solution that will address the cat not working on startup. By adding specific dependencies and ordering directives to your system service definition, we can ensure that the service starts at a more opportune moment when the TTY-mod1 device is ready for use. This includes directives like binds to equals dev t2mod1.device and requires equals mnt-data.mount, which will guide system B to launch your service at the right time for optimal functionality. Building upon the initial solution, another aspect to consider for a robust system recovery is to adjust your script accordingly. By incorporating error handling techniques and exiting the script if critical steps like opening the serial device or configuring it fail, you can prevent the script from getting stuck in a non-functional state. Additionally, reading directly from the device instead of using cat can enhance the reliability of your script and improve its performance overall. To wrap it up, we've covered some key strategies to ensure that your script runs smoothly on system startup, overcoming the cat issue with the NextION screen. Remember, by implementing these adjustments and dependencies, you can enhance the reliability of your setup and enjoy seamless operation. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Stay tuned for more tech tips and solutions.